Baking soda can be part of a long-term ant control strategy, but it is not a silver bullet for permanent colony elimination. Baking soda works by disrupting ant digestion when ingested with a bait that contains a sweet or oily attractant. To use it effectively, mix equal parts baking soda and powdered sugar, or mix baking soda into a small amount of peanut butter for grease-loving ants. Then place tiny amounts along ant trails and near entry points in sealed containers with holes punched or on disposable cards so pets and children cannot access them. Check baits daily and replenish only the small amounts that are taken, because ants will reject stale or desiccated bait. For larger infestations, target the nest when possible by following worker trails to their entry and applying an appropriate bait station or placing the bait at the nest perimeter. Treating the nest directly is the most reliable way to remove the queen and stop colony reproduction. Maintain sanitation by removing food residues, sealing containers, and fixing moisture problems, since even a perfect bait strategy will fail if alternative food sources remain abundant. For stubborn or hidden colonies, combine baiting with non-chemical barriers like diatomaceous earth along baseboards and door thresholds, which abrades exoskeletons and reduces populations over time. The three most common issues are slow action, bait avoidance, and pet or child exposure. Baking soda baits act slowly, so people think they do not work. The fix is patience and consistent replenishment for at least 2 to 4 weeks while removing other food sources. Ants sometimes ignore baking soda mixes if the attractant is wrong. Switch bait bases between sugar, honey, or peanut butter to match the species' preferences and observe which workers take the bait. Homemade baits and loose powders can be hazardous to pets or children. Place baits in tamper-resistant stations or behind furniture and use very small portions to minimize risk. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners compare natural and commercial ant control approaches and connect with local contractors who can inspect and treat persistent infestations. We also host a discussion community where we share real-world results, bait recipes, and contractor recommendations so we can learn from each other and find reliable help when needed.